Dito guys nakalaban ko si Tanggol na kapatid ni David na anak ni Regor. Grabe ito mga idol, palong-palo mag-show. Kalkulado ang bawat galaw. Grabe ka talaga Tanggol, pinapahanga mo ako. Panoorin nyo hanggang dulo at siguradong bibilib din kayo.
That notion here at night when you're home alone. All this shit in my head, yeah, you don't wanna know. On your knees, begging for your life. I'm a 44 till you don't, now you're gone. Life cut you straight to the fucking bone. Head full of pills, don't know what the fuck they